Hi my dollies, welcome back to my channel. Please don't be alarmed by what you see on screen. Yes, this is a lady's underwear, but it is fresh from Walmart. It is not used. I do not sew with used undergarments. What I am going to do is show you how to utilize such an undergarment to make a cute pajama set for your Barbie dolls. So you may have noticed that the undergarment has two sides on it. You will be using both of those sides. I usually buy the largest size possible so that I have enough material if I want to use a shirt like this, or if you know what you're going to make, you can also just buy two pair of the same undergarment in order to get a shirt like this. However, to be efficient with the material that we do have and to also keep the project as simple as possible, we're going to be making a shirt like this. And you're just going to wrap that around whatever doll that you have, including standard made to move or even curvy. You're basically just getting a measurement so that you can take it off and then sew it up the back. Now, this is going to allow your shirt to be super stretchy, and I love that you don't need to hem anything. Now remember, we're being super efficient with our fabric. So this is the thong part, and I noticed that it's basically two lace trims sewn together. And so what we're going to do is take our scissors and separate those very, very carefully so we don't cut it. What you're going to end up with is two separated pieces of lace trim that are equally stretchy, and you're going to be using those to make the straps of the top part of your pajamas. This is what the placement of the straps look like on the garment when it's inside out. Now you can sew it or you can glue it, whichever one is easiest for you. Moving on to your pajama bottoms, it's basically the same steps as you would take to make the pajama tops. So you're just going to be wrapping that around the hips of your doll, again, whether it be a regular doll or a curvy. Then once you have that measurement, take it off and sew it straight up the back. Again, there will be no hems necessary, and the waist is already super stretchy. Now position it like this with the back seam going straight down the middle, and I like to flip mine right side out to eliminate kind of like a bulkiness in the crotch area. And I like to sew a little stitch in the crotch area. This is going to make your leg holes. So now is when I flip it wrong side out, and I put it on the doll because I want to take in the waist a little bit. And in order to do that, I pull the pajama pants so I know what needs to come off, which is like this little triangle that I'm making right there. So now, as you can see, I'm sewing where that diagonal line is going that I'm going to cut off, but I'm also being cognizant that I need to re-sew the part where I put the original seam that's not going to be cut off. So after I do that, here's what the pajama shorts looks like, and you can see the little triangle of fabric that was cut off, that is excess. And now we're ready to move on to socks because yes, we have some extra left of our fabric. So now we're just using the doll's foot to kind of measure like where we need the sock to go. And so I just kind of fold the fabric over to get the shape of the sock. So in the end, we need to end up with two pieces that look the same, that are roughly in this shape. And I also gave you a measurement just in case you need that, but you actually shouldn't need any measurements because you're using the doll's body itself to get exactly what you need. So now all you need to do is fold and sew like this, and that's really all you need to do. After you flip it right side out, of course, you will have a nice cute kawaii pair of socks. All right, here is the finished product being modeled by the fabulous Elle. It is super cottagecore, super simple to make, and we only actually use the back of that undergarment, which means we have fabric left over for another outfit. My dollies, please comment below hashtag ADCBestie so that I know you stopped by. Feel free to create these pajamas and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!